In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get rid of hide adverts in Outlook. We'll cover a paid, fully supported option from Microsoft, a free browser-based approach for the web, and a quick tweak in Outlook on the web to keep distracting messages out of sight. First, the most reliable way to remove ads everywhere you use Outlook is to subscribe to Microsoft 365 Personal or Family. Sign into your Microsoft account, choose the subscription that fits your needs plan. Start at $1.99 per month and activate it on your Outlook.com address. Once active, ads disappear from your inbox and sidebar on the web, and the ad-free experience carries over to desktop and mobile apps when you're signed in with the same account. You also get added benefits like extra cloud storage and enhanced security features. If you don't see the change right away, give it a moment and refresh your inbox. This method is ideal if you want a consistent, supported, and cross-device solution without tweaking any browser settings. If you prefer a free option for Outlook on the web, install a trusted content blocker such as uBlock Origin or AdBlock from your browser's extension store, whether you use Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. After installing, make sure the extension is enabled, then refresh Outlook in your browser. You should see visual ads removed from the inbox, the reading pane, and the sidebar without impacting your ability to read, send, or search mail. If ads remain, restart the browser to allow the extension to fully initialize. Keep in mind, this only affects the web version in that specific browser. It won't remove ads in the desktop or mobile apps. If you run into display issues, temporarily disable other extensions to rule out conflicts. Finally, in Outlook on the web, you can reduce clutter even further by turning on Focused Inbox. Open Settings, go to Mail, then Layout, and choose Focused Inbox. This separates your most important mail into the Focus tab and moves less relevant items to other, so promotional content is less prominent. It doesn't remove ads, but it keeps them and other low-priority messages out of your main view, which makes your inbox calmer and easier to manage. That's it. Thanks for watching.